What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be shooting a Porsche GT3 997.2. Super dope car. The owner's name is Geoffrey. Super cool dude. We're about to meet up right now in San Dimas. We're going to be shooting around that area. Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys the car. It's super sick. It's very OEM plus looking, but yeah, it should be pretty dope. So let's get right into it. All right, guys. So we just got here, but the spot over there is taken by the band, the school band, I guess. Can't shoot over there, which sucks because it's like a pretty cool spot. It has like just a solid color backdrop. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do now, but so we might just probably shoot here for a little bit. And yeah, we'll see what we get. He hasn't got here yet, so I'm just waiting for him to get here, but I'll see you guys then. I think I hear him. Here's the car. This thing is super dope. BBS's, big old wang in the back, 6-speed, super dope interior, factory roll cage. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and start getting some shots now. We already have it parked, and yeah, let's go. Alright, so first things first is we like to start off with some wide angle shots. So we're gonna go ahead and get some of those. Alright, so we're gonna do a little roll-up shot. So he's gonna roll up, park, get out. That's kind of like a good always intro clip to introduce the spot. I'm at 35mm focal length, which is I think a pretty good spot to start at for this type of shot. But yeah, let's just see how it goes, you know? Alright, so that was 35mm. Now I'm gonna go 24mm. See how that looks. That way we have kind of two variety shots. See which one works best. God, I freaking suck at speaking on YouTube. Alright, now we're using 24mm, so let's see how that works. It's a little too bright, so we're gonna bring up the aperture to 3.5. Alright, so we just wrapped it up here. That's just so bright.
Most of the potholes are coming up.
Yeah, sure. Alright, so last shot is we're gonna get a flyby of him kind of just going down the street and passing by all the way over there. Let's go for it. Woo. That was freaking sick, dude. That car sounds so good, dude. Holy crap. He's coming back. Let's get another shot. That was solid, bro.
Okay,
That was good, that was good.
Okay.
All right, cool. All right, guys, we just made it to the second spot and the last spot of the day. Check this spot out, dude. This shit is dope. Just a nice backdrop of mountains. Life is back there, dude. People are just living their lives. They're on the freeway going home, going to work, traveling. And we got this. So sick. All right, so we're gonna go for the first shot up here. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna go 35 millimeter. So that shot was a little bit difficult to get because we're on this hill here. So we're gonna do it one more time, but I'm gonna get it from this top angle up here. I feel like it might be easier to shoot, so we'll see how it goes. Cool, so that was pretty much the last shot for the day. He pretty much left already. Thank you, Geoffrey, for coming out and shooting with me. It was a pleasure, man. Love the car. Sounds so good. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.